very, very prehistoric form, early and very, very clear form. Are you getting me? It is high contrast with two treatment, and both treatment gets together, and the large letter is industrial, small letter is prehistoric or tribal, if you use not folk but tribal, yeah, which is interesting concept. It get lost here. Do you understand? It get lost here because this sort of thing won't be able to register. Have you heard the word I used to describe my type design, or your type design is become my type design? Like branding. You have done your symbol design or logo type or something. You always go for one or two claim and attribute. Are you with me? State Bank of India, security. You are secure with us. You understand that lock and everything? Keyword is security. In a letter design, if your terms are two words, maximum two or three adjectives, it is become much clearer. This and this are more display and fancy face. This is more conventional face. This is more readable. This is more legible. Are you getting me? This is more tool based. These are more concept based. Ga, ga, no, it is one. Do you understand now? There is a double line letter, and that double line letter sometimes it thin, sometimes it thick, sometimes it medium. So the ending, is there Sirorekha? One doesn't know. Is it Gujarati? Is it Hindi? Are you getting me? There is, but it's like, have you heard about sans serif? Sa means without serif, it's a simple way. So people are venturing into Devanagari without Sirorekha. Can Devanagari be without Sirorekha? Is Sirorekha serif? No. Are you with me? Can there be Kannada without that grandfather stick, or Telugu without tick? No. They are not additional element. They are part of the element. Are you getting me? Many of us with education in West, we think there is a serif and there is sans serif. So Indian language also should have serif and sans serif. Are you getting me? I interpret it differently. I call it pane, flat nib pane, and linear pane. This is linear pane. Pane which gives you same thickness, pane which gives you different thickness. There is nothing like serif and sans serif. There is nothing like capital and lowercase in Indian languages. So if you understand that, we can give better justice to our decision making. Do you know Gestalt theory? Whatever is near, you relate. So this space is less than this space. Are you with me? So it relates with this. So this become one letter, or this become one word. This goes to, it is this. No, then this is M Patel. Are you with me? M and then space and Patel. Now you remember I told you form, counter form and spacing. Many times spacing creates misreading, unwanted relations. You have to be very careful when you present it. Same thing. Sir, I don't see white. I created black line. Are you with me? But it's not black line. Where you place, how much space you leave, how you treat black line is as important as the stroke. While talking about this, it has a very interesting element. Right side heavy, left side light. Do you notice? Light, heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy. I never thought on this. You remember now encoding and decoding? What you have in mind, you depict it in a manner that other people perceive it clearly. I have clarity, but do other people see it? Difficult. Why difficult? Because there is very thickness. This thickness start fighting with this. So if I have same thickness, then I see it. Then there is a space within and space between. I have to deal with it. Do you understand? And it can be grown into a good potential design anyway. I went out for a walk, and there are lots of plants growing. Do you understand? With organic. Do you understand? There's the movement which goes always like a growth, except the middle one which become very industrial. Except this, do you understand? There's lots of parallel and then it become thin. There's growth here, but this become parallel. So on one side there is a organic approach. On other side there is industrial approach. It's like a needle. Do you notice that? So treatment. Idea is good. Do I want that which way? It is consistency in treatment. Curve. This is curve. Yeah. Do you notice curve is like condensed? Yeah. And this is curve. Curve is healthy. Curve is condensed. There is no width relation. Are you clear? The space between and space between this primary and base are very important to depict the overall. Have you heard about normal, regular, width? It's not only the weight. Weight and width both relate to each other. So one of them looks condensed, other looks okay in normal weight. Other thing I told you is a treatment of the concept. Very visible. No more tool, no more stylistic, no more concept. What is there then? Geometry, basics, rhombus, right angle. Are you getting me? Are they triangle? No, rhombus 45 degree or somewhat 45 degree. Do you understand? Between 35 to 50 degrees somewhere. So it is geometry. Are you getting me? It is geometry which defines the thing. Where is geometry? Below Sirorekha. Do you understand? Whole geometric manifestation takes place for the character, but Sirorekha become a line. So a line and geometrical shapes at the bottom. The way it is depicted indicate, I don't say makes letter, but indicate the letter form, because sometimes it is forced readability, sometimes natural readability. It is called forced design. But many times we are prepared to see it because we know it is geometry, so we are prepared to read it. We would stretch our eyes, we stretch our imagination, we would be happy to be troubled and struggle to read it. That's why it would stay longer in our memory. Do you understand recall value? It's difficult to recall this, but easy to read it. Easy to read, difficult to recall. Easy to recall, you won't forget next 10 years, do you understand? There was this. Difficult to read. Are you getting? Very few designs are there which can serve both purposes. You are great there. That's what it is today called humanistic graphic. It is graphic but humanistic. It serves both purposes. Very nice thing about it, it has same trace, different lengths, and it has retained the width. You understand? So from type design or from letter design point of view, it has made all points. It has minimum thickness which is registered in a smaller size. It has all the potential. Do you find this stroke is lighter than this? At a micro level, when you have overall good, then your eye starts seeing faults at a micro level. When you are happy at macro level, you see within and you start seeing design detailing. Are you here? So now you go deeper. I am not going to deal with design detailing with you because I told you in the morning, computer and consistency can plot. We are talking about concept level. As a concept, very good. In my generation, we were talking design as a service. It serves somebody, it serves a purpose, it serves a technology. Now people say design is for me, for my art. I have design background, I have design capability, and I express my design thing my way, whether you care or not, whether you need or not. No comment. I see high potential in organic form. if it is made readable and legible. Technically, you notice there is a thin, there is a thick, there is intermediate, suddenly it becomes too thin, suddenly it becomes rigid, there is continuous, it's like that amoeba, you understand, continuous growth going, and suddenly it becomes rigid here. So, treatment, otherwise excellent. Yeah, so far everybody was monoscript, and suddenly one person created Hindi, English and Gujarati. He want to please me, at least there is one good two people started here. Very good. It is like in the middle, there is a space created from the top and there is a continuity. It's like a hamburger. You have round bread on the top, round at the bottom, and you place something inside. No. What is it called? Burger. Yeah. It is something on that, something and that, which defines the product, which defines the letter. In between is all good idea. There is some sort of a logic in it also, do you understand? Some sort of a shape coming. So there is some sort of a growth pattern also created. So it is interesting concept. In a reduction also the line thickness, the filling, I don't know what these are doing. Do you understand? There is ending here, the ending. Suddenly there is a grandfather's hanging rod. Do you understand where things are hung? Well, there is a continuous movement. This brings rigidity into it. I'm sure now with all this talk you realize there is a conceptual clarity and there is a element clarity. Are you clear? And there is a form and space, which is, and then there will be a visual control. It looks like Arabic, but is like that. I had that experience long back also. Do you notice the form are very much controlled? Do you notice how the lower form looks too teeny weeny and long head? So probably this has a big letter form. This can be, do you remember visual center? Yeah. This can go little up, go in visual center. Do you notice the width is fine, toe is too wide, but that is a characteristic of Tamil. They got angry when I made toe like letter L, yeah? And there's a no way, unacceptable. So you have to do 1.5 times, no, double, probably 3 times, yes, I'm happy, that's all. There is some reading habits, yeah? It is difficult to get away with it. I tried by placing it neither 1.5 times, neither 2, 1 and 3/4 times. Here, Adam, I know him little bit because I travel with him from airport here. He's a software person, but graphic design software. It's good mixture of technology and design. I don't know whether he knows one Bengali and he did Bengali or he just went for my seat and did Bengali. But whatever he has done or whatever was his background, I'm impressed. I'm both way impressed because he was able to handle, you notice, counter form and form, and the counter and form relation, the way weight family changes, form become dominant, space become dominant, form and space are 50-50. We were talking about it. Other thing he developed is alignment. You notice it touches, a little bit away, it goes there, it touches. There is no rigidity. Are you clear? According to situation of growing. You understand? And my weight goes down and down, fatter I become. Same thing happened with letter form. More weight you have, the treatment to counter form, treatment to space, all changes. And I can see that sensitivity emerging. Letter form wise, all of them look similar weight. I don't know whether you notice there is very thinness here, while there is same thickness here. Do you understand? But bolder you go, more contrast you can have. You can digest, you can tolerate differences. Adam, I'm sure you are aware of it, the spacing, consistency, but we did paperwork. Yeah? But if you notice there is more space here, less space here, medium space here. So we will deal with counter form, but we will do with spacing. Let me tell you, easy to point finger to you, difficult to do that to yourself. You, as a human being, you cannot consider all those things together and give a solution. That's why what we do, version 1, do it, version 2, do it, version 3, do you understand, and do it. Unfortunately, I have very little time, so I talk everything to you. Doesn't mean I'm complaining, by the way. I'm reflecting. There's difference between reflection and finding thought. Even I'm finding opportunity, or if you can call fault, it is positive. My intention is that you notice it, yeah? And if you agree, do it. If you don't agree, throw it away. In life, you don't have to agree everything. But many times when comments are given, it makes you think. Am I like that? Is it like that? Can I do something? No, he has a point, but he doesn't see it totally. Probably this would solve. Not that way, but this way. At least it makes you rethink.
I know many tech designers who also are working with multiple weights, and what I realized often that they tell me is that if you start with like a normal form, and then you increase the weight up to the absolute, and then you hit the boundaries and need to change something in the very outer bowl, then you can very well go back and find better proportions in your regular. Because you find more harmony if you sort of like, if you have so many, if your strokes are thin, you have all these possibilities, many possibilities.
I don't get a new 10 emerging now. Earlier we used to start with regular, normal. Now most of the people start with bold. Our master is bold, and then we go to regular, light, black and ultra black. When you do bold, it is between heaviness and lightness. It gives you better or 80% better opportunity to develop rest of the weights. Many of us, I'm sorry to, software nowadays give you know it better in FontLab. It allows you to increase the weight on particular value. So your thick should become more thick, your thin should become less thick. Do you understand? You can logarithm, or what you call logistic. You can work out for weight, all those things, and you can manipulate. But there's a limit. That is called editing and notching. What computer gives, if you start believing you had it, you have to review it, and let me tell you, computer does it whether you want or not. You select, everything is done. Your thing is that little micro eye to see where you do corrections and how much you do corrections. 70% you may not require, but the 30% if you miss, you do disasters. That's why all this basic thing what I am talking to sensitize you, I post before. But I agree with you. That's why they are multi-masters. They don't create one pole. They create end pole and mid pole, or intermediate pole and create intermediates on there. There are many techniques people like you and me use for it. No say, nahi different. This is Punjabi, what is it? I don't know what is this. Some letter in Punjabi like that. Gurumukhi, but not Punjabi. That's why I can't read. This is top. None of them in style, in design, in proportion match each other. Looking individually, big belly letter, contrasting organic and industrial, do you understand? Same thickness treatment, but Sirorekha comes out. Heavy head, light hook at the bottom, they are different things. So, you remember in the morning I told you whatever you do, 3 skip, 1 skip, 3 letters, they should be a family, they should be part of the thing, it doesn't come. Each one have potential to grow, but they have hindrances. The clarity of basic, what I want to do, that encoding has to come out clear. This comes out very clearly, P. This comes out very clearly, Q. Am I right? And this is letter I. Now, if this is I for this, then it would be better to have whole thing green. Otherwise, you see P, O, dot. Are you getting me? Now, if you say there are three characters. Character 1, alternative character, and other character is green. Then my I-ness comes out very clear. As a concept to distinguish, otherwise you relate this and this together, you relate this together. You remember what is similar, Gestalt theory, what is similar, black to black you relate together, green to green you relate together. All of you know, I hope you know Gestalt theory, yeah? Rule of similarity, rule of nearness. So you have to be clear on it. So if I am designing typeface which is alternatively changes its color, then whole letter should change color, not part, because it would have misreading and misconception. Interesting, hard outside, soft inside, hard outside, soft inside, good rendering. I don't know this long blunt what you're doing there, but we'll deal with it later on. Sadak chap, like film actor, yeah? Do you understand? Everything is going well except curve here become very heavy, double lane. Have you seen double lane road? Yeah. President stays here, so he has a special double road. This is all single except this. Do you notice this is larger than this? The upper counter form is larger than lower. Normally, whenever you have letter form, you expect visual center. Are you clear? First is visual center, second is mathematical center, third is distorted center. Big-headed letter. Are you clear? But then I should have big-headed K and I should have big-headed so comes big-headed, but here, but not here. Are you with me? Because of this double matra, here it would be. What I am telling you, you remember proportion I told you? Upper and lower form. And so, whatever proportion you take should be consistent in whole family. If you see my Patel family, you see this here little out? I don't know. You notice? This here is little out, genetic. So my son would have it, my grandfather had it. Do you understand? You can notice it. Same thing happens in your design. There is certain inherent characteristic. You have to be proud of it. You recognize and you guess upon it. Do you understand? I had real problem with my friend here. She says this is Ka and this is A, Ka. Bengali got married to little English person and become Ka, yeah? So Kavita got married to Alex and K and A become Ka. Interesting. You see a mouse here? I put require only to put a dot there. Okay, apart from a joke, it has lots of figures. Have you heard about psychological taste? They print anything, put before you and ask you, what do you see? Based on what you see, they read your mind. This allows mind to wander around and interpret. Exquisite letter forms. Are you with me? But I'm creating. Do you remember somewhere I said something like letter art? Letter form used to create an art. Same thing, letter form to create images and different combinations. This is logo. Have you heard about logo, logotype? Do you see the difference between logo and logotype? Logotype is a pronounceable identity in any language. Logo uses letter form, but it is not pronounceable. It is form of the letter which comes out. And it gets third form, which you remember longer in your life, and that becomes total representative for what it stands for. Yeah? Very interesting. Is like a ribbon with holes in and create different letter form. This is letter K, but this is not K. There's something come out from K? No, this is same thing. Yeah. So she is trying to create Bengali K, Malayalam K, Devanagari K, and I don't know this is no. Yeah. Burmese, I don't know Burmese, so it is Burmese, I believe. Yeah. And this is Bengali clothes, so both are fighting. One is mouse, another is, I don't know what is it. This little eye here, joking, yeah. But it's interesting. While appreciating this, do you notice it has equal proportions and suddenly this proportion increases? Do you notice this become very wide? Do you notice this is different, left to right? Now, one is what is given by your tool. What is that tool? Ribbon. Other is what you create with ribbon is a space. You remember that long story, counter form, you have to explore it. While interesting concept to construct letter form with a ribbon which is folded, and then become letter form. Where do I fold? How much space I do? It's very important because there is nothing great about folding ribbon. My granddaughter does it for every birthday, right? But where I fold, how much I leave space. Now, when you fold, there is a very normal psychology. The counter product is square. Not necessary. She can be triangles, she can be rectangles, she can be irregular rectangles, do you understand? So, what is the basic concept? A ribbon which is folded, not necessarily a triangle. Are you getting me? Once you have that little insight, oh, I don't have to really worry about triangle, whole new world opens. Interesting concept to build later. Ranbir. Good. Do you notice this little tail coming out here? All these are flatter and certainly there is a need to have a headdress. Do you understand that? Little choti and little thing. Here very industrial. Tap, 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 tap. You understand? Everything clean. And certainly there is a hairdressing salon work here. You notice that? Here and here. There is nothing wrong in this. If your treatment is like that, I expect that treatment to be consistent. Or it is called treatment to joint, treatment to ending. And more consistent it is, more harmonious it is, and more you accept it. You understand? You do anticipation. Even I have not seen that later, it is like that. You anticipate relations. You anticipate forms. When you can anticipate things, you are happy. You understand? I am anticipating that 7:30 we will have dinner. So I am happy, I don't have to worry. But if I don't know what would happen, when it would happen, there is anxiety. Do you understand? So comfort level comes with anticipation. So what brings anticipation is consistency. First thing I told you, form, counter form, spacing, style characteristic. Now I am talking about ending and joint characteristic and its consistent use. Are you getting me? There can be exceptions, but not every case is exception. For example, if there is a joint here and this is the ending, if I am doing treatment to ending, my joint can be different. Are you clear? Designer always is in control of his work rather than work is in control of designer. It is not accidental. एक दिन दिल आया कर दिया, दूसरा दिन नहीं. एक दिन you can go to what you call parlor and you can have dress, one good get dressed. Next 1 month or 2 months or 6 months you don't have money and you go hugger, you understand? I had that experience. One student came for interview and I thought she has come out of washroom. All hair wet and what. I felt like telling her, she is my student, came for interview for job in my office. I felt like asking her to go and get dressed and come back. But then my son who is in design said, Papa, you know this is a fashion. This is new fashion. You have to treat your hair which looks like wave and you have come out of design. You understand? You designed it. When you design, you should be proud. You understand? Then only not hair, all style goes with it. Pattern, for pattern, have you heard about illustrative typography, talking typography? This is what we will talk in the morning is none of the expressive typography. We talk about letter form which has potential to create a family of letter form. It is possible to do pattern, but what would happen to Nanda? You can't. You understand? So pattern, the anuswar would go well with one, may not go well with others. So this is situational design. It is word image. It's called talking typography. If I overlook this, even I look, is it per tongue? So thus this should happen in the middle of a matra. Or if at all before but not after. Does it belong to ta or does it belong to go? Yeah, there is anchoring or there is a relation between matra and letter. This should be clear. Apart from that, do you notice this is very elegant. It goes same thickness and turn into fine. Certainly it has swallowed mouse here and become little heavy in between. There is no progression in it. Do you notice the way it connects here, the way it connects with the right angle is different. This is too low, this is too heavy bottom. If you know Gujarat, in Hindi, this never touches, hands down, so there will be grow. Where the rakar matra would go, all those would get. When you design a letter form, you also consider what you don't design. When you design go, you have to consider how gra would come, how ga would come. You understand? You have to consider that when it would happen for you. Holistic design. But I like the style, that hook and Gujarati way of turning kana. You understand? Gujju makes it, Devanagari doesn't do it. So it is more turning like. Keep saying but turn with a that ribbon you cut, but do you notice the proportion are too little. This confused with no, the top confused with no has a smaller that little hanging down. Do you notice? Do you remember this spacing? Space between this form and this form is too close, so you don't read go. Yeah, so there is a counter form. Space around and space within, you have to consider that. Oriya, very robust design, but do you notice that triangle coming here? Very robust design. Do you notice this circle coming? Here this stroke and this comes. Do you notice this and this become foreigner to it? It is good, but suddenly I have that Johnson tape here. Do you understand my really pretty? It's not so pretty. But little that white tape I put and you always feel little odd, yeah? You feel like peeling it off, it doesn't go with my skin. Same thing happens, do you notice this becomes stain in a design? Such an elegant stroke. And suddenly what happens here? Does it confuse with a joint? What type of joint it would be? What type of relation it would have? It does. Letter form, though it are black and white, they are like organic elements. When you construct windows and elements and boards, you understand the joints, it should have clarity of relation, clarity of flow. When it confuse, you see triangle and you see a circle. Does this circle is part of this finish? Does it a circle which is at the end? Does that circle, look, this relation with the ending is not coming. Are you getting me? You have to be. Now it's easy to tell you this. Difficult to find solution. But my friend here, you remember? If you feel it, if you know it, you find a way. But if you are ignorant about it, or if you don't care for it, you will never find it. At least let's see it, let's feel it. If I can't do it, hire me. If you can't do it, hire me. I'll charge a little bit. I'll earn my bread and butter. When I say hire me, it means some of you are media people. Hire graphic designer. Are you with me? Hire typographer. hire type designer, hire professional. Don't worry about who you hire. Get professional advice. We have this tendency to do everything ourselves. थोड़ा डिजाइन डिपार्टमेंट में कोर्स कर दिया 2 साल 3 साल का, सबने थोड़ा थोड़ा दे दिया मुझे. आई नो अबाउट कलर, आई नो अबाउट फोटोग्राफी, आई नो अबाउट ड्राइंग, यू नो about basic design. First 2 years I know everything, animation, film, video. So whenever I go and whenever I do, I try to do everything. I don't know whether you know it, design is a teamwork. I learned very hard way by working with monotype and nanotype also. I had a heavy head. Now I realize, my God, I'm nowhere. Team is most important. And respect to team, understanding each other's language. You understand? Try to understand. I hope you understand your capability, you build your capability, and you relate with other people who have capability. And open. My talk is over, or my cricket is over. I always call this is a open, constructive cricket.